What's going on, everybody? I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys, a show where we talk all things business, credit, and finance related. Today's video topic is going to be, are you or someone you know potentially going to be home shopping within the next 3 to 6 months? Here's how to prime your credit in order to get yourself the best approval rates and get yourself approved without any hassle. So if that video topic interests you, please be sure to watch it through its entirety, like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into it. If you're watching this, I'm assuming that you are somebody who is looking to purchase a home within the next maybe 3 to 6 months, if not sooner, and you want to make sure that your credit is in the best possible scenario for you to get approved and the best rates. Well, there's a few things you need to keep in mind of. Number one is going to be the state of your credit in your credit report. So I would suggest getting a copy of your credit report using the link below with our Identity IQ. It's a great credit monitoring service and it'll give you the full breakdown of what exactly is going on with your credit report. Once you have a copy of your credit report, you need to look it over and see what areas need to be fixed. So ideally, you want to make sure that your credit is in the 720 plus range in order to get the best rates from any of these mortgage lenders. Now, one thing that people aren't aware of is their credit utilization or their income to debt ratio. Whenever it comes to getting approved for a certain limit of the home or your certain amount of loan that you're going to be available to get from the bank, they're going to look at your income, right? And that is also going to be a factor apart from your utilization ratio. So what I mean by that is if you have tons of debt compared to how much income is coming in, that's going to stop you from getting the maximum amount of money you can get from the bank in order to buy the maximum amount of house that you can actually afford. So first and foremost, make sure that your utilization ratio on your credit cards across the board on each credit card is under 20%. What does that mean? That means if you have a $10,000 credit card and the limit or the balance revolving on it every month is $2,500, you need to make sure that you pay it down $500 so that way it's reflecting $2,000. That will put you at the 20% utilization ratio and it will increase your credit score as well as free up more available lines of credit so that you can have more house to finance. The next thing is going to be negative items. So if you are somebody who has late payments, collections, repossessions, charge-offs, bankruptcies, any of those negative items on your credit report are going to make it very tough to get approved from a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender, right? Just because of recent, your credit report is your, it's what's showing that you are able to actually financially make smart decisions. So if you're somebody who has a lot of negative items, then it's going to stop you from getting approved for that house that you want. There's certain ways to get these items removed. The number one recommended way, in my opinion, would be to hire a credit repair company such as ours to go ahead and look over your credit report and see what can be done in terms of those negative items. So collection, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, etc. Once you have that handle out of the way, make sure that you add at least 1 or 2 primary trade lines on your credit report. A trade line will strengthen your credit report by adding age to the account as well as adding more credit history, and will help bring down your utilization ratio as well. Adding a trade line will help increase your score and it'll put you in a much better position to get approved for that home. So those are some of the key factors to look for and things to do before actually applying for an a home loan to get you the best approval rates and the best approval scenario. Once again, I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time.